Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Craft Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty guys, so today I am going to be sharing with you a haul video. This haul is from Sassy Planner Co. And yes, I am part of her PR team. But anyways, I still love shopping at her shop. If you use that, excuse me, Eileen20, you'll get 20% off and my PR freebie. So this is the cute little card that she put in her in my order. You're welcome, Emma. I really, even before I was part of her PR team, I would order a lot of items from her shop as well. So it's super duper to be part of the team. She also gave me this cute little freebie. So super duper excited to use it for my fall pages that I'm still working on. And also she also sent me this cute little sampler, which is Jennifer's sampler. So if you use Jennifer 20, you will get 20% off. And each of us were lucky enough to choose our own little freebie. So this is really cute. I love it. Anyways, so let us get into the kits that I got. You guys know. Oh my goodness. Yay! Alrighty. So here first up. Oh wait, before I start. Alrighty, so these are vertical kits. They come in vertical full and vertical mini. You can also add on more labels, glitter headers, and yeah, so, oh, one more thing. You get a chance to choose your own fashion girl. So that is super cute. So you get to choose what this gorgeous girl right here looks like. So as you will see throughout my collection here, my happy mail, I choose a lot of different fashion girls because I love, you know, the way each fashion girl looks. I really wish I could have them all on my page, but alas, I cannot. Alrighty, so here is the glitter headers. This kit is called Gingerbread, and I absolutely love it because I love the blues and the greens in it. If you guys have been on my channel, you guys know I'm a huge blue and green fan, and black. So this is Gingerbread, and here are the deco sheets. And this is what they call, you can use them separately, you can use them together, but this is what they call a double box. Normally a lot of people like to use them for the weekend. Also, before I stop right here, even though they say weekly planner, you guys can also use this for memory keeping and journaling. Just, you know, so just to keep in mind of the different uses that you can use these kits for. So we have your day covers, you have your gorgeous washi and one more piece of deco, you have your weekly checklist, you have your washi, your decorative washi, you have your 3 heart checklist, your bill pay, your weekly checklist, and your labels. You have your half and quarter boxes with your scallop labels. You have your icons, you have your flags, your gorgeous weekend planner, your scallop boxes, and you have your labels, which says rescheduled, not adulting, not today, and canceled. And you have your full heart checklist. This one is called Merry and Bright, and this one absolutely reminds me of my nieces, so I had to get this one. Like, absolutely, they are so bubbly in their personality and so fun. So here is the glitter headers. Here is your deco. Also reminds me, well, actually I have a bunch of nieces. It kind of reminds me of all my nieces because they're so bubbly and bright and their personalities are all different. But yeah, anyways, so here is your deco. You have your brain fart. Okay, wake up. Let's smell the Bustelo. We have our day covers and our absolutely gorgeous rainbow ombre looking washi. And you have your one more piece of deco. You have your weekly checklist. You have your pattern washi, your 3 heart checklist, your bill pay, your weekly checklist, and your labels. Half and quarter boxes with scallop labels. You have your icons, your weekend banners, your flags, your scallop boxes, and your more labels. We have, well, actually these are not labels, Are they labels? I don't know. Anyways, you have your rescheduled, your not adulting, not today, and canceled, and your full heart checklist. Oh, this one is for another kit. I apologize for that. That one's for the snuggle kit. Anyways, so wait. Spaghetti-o. Hold the phone. Yep. Okay. Oh, it was right here. Right here. I apologize. I'm like, wait a minute. That was for Snuggle. If you guys have not seen my other video, I did talk about that kit earlier. All right. Let me make sure. I had to put a cheat sheet because some of the, two of these kits kind of look the same to me. And I don't know. Anyway, so this one is Christmas time. So here is the glitter headers or glitter washi. Here is your beautiful, and here, this is what I mean about choosing your different fashion girls. I love it. Here is your deco boxes. You have your day covers, your washi, and one more piece of deco. You have your icons, your flags, your weekend banner, your scallop boxes, your word, I guess so they would be considered word labels, or I don't know. Anyways, so it says rescheduled, not adulting, not today, and canceled. I will have to definitely check with anyways, half and quarter boxes, more scallop, some scallop labels here. Your weekly checklist, I love that. That's so cute. I love that. Your decorative washi, you have your 3 heart checklist, your bill pay, your habit checkers, and more labels. Then you have your full heart checklist. And this one is winter. So here we are with the glitter. Here we are with the deco boxes, day covers, washi, and one more piece of deco. Your habit tracker, your weekly checklist. You get your decorative washi, your 3 heart checklist, your bill pay, your weekly checklist, some labels. Then you get your heart, your full and half boxes. And then you get some more scallop boxes down here. Then I think these are scallop labels. Anyways, they're just absolutely gorgeous. Your icons, your weekend balance, your scallop boxes, your flags, and the rescheduled, not adulting, not today, and canceled, and your full heart checklist. This one is 'Tis the Season. I love this one. Here is what the glitter header looks, glitter headers or glitter washi. Your full, I love that teddy bear, absolutely gorgeous. Your deco sheet looks like. Here are your day covers, your washi, and one more piece of deco. Your full heart checklist. You get your icons, your flags, your weekend banners, your scallop boxes, rescheduled, not adulting, and not today labels. And you get your full and half boxes with your scallop labels. Here are your weekly checklist, your decorative washi, your 3 heart checklist, your bill pay, your weekly checklist, and some labels. So that is everything in a nutshell, you guys. Absolutely wonderful. This was such a fun haul. I love it so much. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.